What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we have our Boxycharm unboxings for the month of October. I can't believe spooky season is already here. Like, I feel like summer flew by. We're already like halfway through fall. Went to the store yesterday and it's filled with Christmas decorations. I'm like, life is just going too fast, but I'm excited to get into this month's unboxing. We have Boxycharm Base Box and Boxycharm Premium Box this month. If you guys are new to Boxycharm or my Boxycharm unboxings, it's a monthly subscription service where you get beauty products sent right to your door. In the base box, you're guaranteed 5 full-size beauty products, and then in the premium box, you're guaranteed at least 6, sometimes 7 full-size beauty products. So we're gonna get into today's unboxing. I'll have a link for you guys to check out Boxycharm and sign up down below in the description if you guys are interested. As always, I wanna thank Boxycharm so much for partnering with me and sending me these boxes to review for you guys. And without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button to be notified of all my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, so you guys will notice that I just have my base done because we are gonna try on these products as well and like actually get to use them. So we're gonna start with the base box and let's see what we have inside. Okay, so the theme is Boxy Spellbound, perfect for spooky season, and then it says all the products that we get, but I just like to look, you know, on my own. So up first, I see Tresluce Beauty, which this is Becky G's beauty line, and this is Like an Artista 4-piece brush set. I only see 3 brushes. I'm like, there we go. There's the last one. I was like, whoo, one of those little like pack things. Okay, let's take a look and see. Love the like bright royal blue handles. You get 4 different eye brushes. This would be perfect to do like a complete eye look on your eyes. And I'm pretty sure the next thing I see is an eyeshadow palette. So this is perfect that they all go together. But first I want to tell you guys the value on these is $27. Okay, so I see this palette. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. This is the Ace Beauté Falling For You. Ooh! If you can't tell, fall is my favorite season. I absolutely love the fall. The weather, the leaves, like the packaging just has me in the fall feels. And that's what the inner packaging looks like as well. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Love these shades, so pretty for fall, or really, I mean, any time of the year, but 12 different shades, both a mix of mattes and shimmers. I've gotten other palettes from Ace Beauté in my Boxycharm boxes and really enjoyed them. So I'm excited to use this today. We'll definitely use it on our eyes and we'll use it with the new brushes. I'm gonna unbox everything first and then do the try on at the end. But the value on the palette is $34, $34.99 to be exact. Okay, next I see the Tarte Wink of H2O Under Eye Cream. This is actually really nice. I've tried this in the past. It's a super creamy, hydrating, like under eye cream for your eyes. They have the H2O like moisturizer for your whole face, and then this one is the one specifically for the under eye area. It's really nice. I'll open it up to show you guys. It's like a nice creamy buttery consistency that will really help to hydrate the under eye area, because I don't know about you, but my skin, as we get into the colder weather, like I have dry skin all year long, but especially as we get into the colder weather, it needs some extra TLC. So very excited about this, and I already know that I like it. So the value on this is $35. Then I see a little pair of lashes. This is from the brand Chimera and Unique. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. These look really, really pretty. They're the Mary Lash. It says they are faux mink lashes, so they're cruelty free, and they look beautiful. They're kind of like wispy and longer on the end, so we'll definitely use these again. I like how this whole box is basically creating like a whole eye look. You know, we got the brushes, the eyeshadow palette, now we have lashes, we got the under eye cream. So I like how everything can go together so you can like create your own look at home. And then last but not least, it continues to go on with the trend. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you guys what the price on the lashes were. Sorry about that. The lash price, $25. And then last but not least, we have the Appeal Adhesive Liquid Liner. Okay, so we're definitely gonna use this. We'll use it to apply the lashes. I've been obsessed with the liquid liner lash glue like combos now. It makes it so much easier. So we'll use this, but literally just apply like a regular liquid liner, and then you can also stick your lashes to it because it's lash glue as well. So very, very excited about that. And the value on this is $29. So that is everything in the base box. Really like how everything went together this month. Not all months are like that. Like a lot of times it's just like a random assortment of things, but I loved how they did that. Not sure if the premium box will be like that, but we'll see. First, I wanna add up the value of this. Let me get my calculator. Okay, so we have $35 for the Tarte eye cream, $34.99 for the Ace Beauté palette, $27 for the brush set, $25 for the lashes, and then $29 for the lash liner glue duo, for a total of $150.99. So that is the base box. Now let's jump into premium and see what we have in there. Again, with premium, you are guaranteed more products. So let's see, I literally just used a lash scissor to open that. Now I'm gonna have to sanitize it. Okay, so right on top, I see actually one of my favorite products. This is really, really cool. This is the Benefit Georgia Blush. First of all, this smells amazing. I love the scent on this. It's kind of peachy, kind of sweet, but it's just like the prettiest cheek color. I absolutely love it. It's like a peachy kind of pink. Obviously you guys can see, we'll use it today. But that's really exciting. I don't normally see a ton of Benefit products in my Boxycharm boxes, so that's an exciting one, and the value on that is $30. Up next, I see this Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. Okay, this is really cool. Yes. Okay, so this is actually exactly what I need. So I've never tried anything from this brand before, but I feel like so many under eye patches. I love applying like under eye patches, especially if it's like doing my makeup for, you know, a special event or something. Oh, this is so cute. So you get all the little patches in here. But most of them are geared towards depuffing your under eyes because you can get puffed up under eyes. But for me, I feel like I have the opposite problem where, you know, I don't know if it'll show as much on camera, but my under eyes go in so much. Like I feel like they're sunken in, especially when I'm tired. So I actually need something that's going to plump them up instead of depuff them, if that makes sense. And that's exactly what these are supposed to do, where most do the opposite. So that's really, really cool. I'm very excited about these. And they have collagen in them too, which is awesome. And it says they have vitamin C and witch hazel as well. So that's really, really awesome. And the value on these is $20. You do get 10 different sets of under eye patches in here. So that is really cool. More brands need to start doing that. Love that. Okay, next I see from Tarte, which you guys know if you watch me, one of my favorite brands. This is the Man-Eater Plumping Gloss. I've actually never tried this, so that's really exciting because I feel like I've tried pretty much everything Tarte has, but I have never tried this lip gloss. So we will definitely use this today. Pretty little neutral pink color. The shade is Buff, and I love a plumping lip gloss. So the value on this is $19. Then we have the Rowan, I believe is how you say the brand's name, Vow Brow. So I got this in the shade medium, so I guess this is a brow product. Ooh, okay. Tiny little brow pencil, so you get a spoolie on one side and then a precise little brow pencil on the other. I love like tiny little precise brow pencils like this. So I do have some brow products on, but we'll go in with this as well and amp it up a little bit. Love little brow pencils like this. So the value on this is $26. Then we have Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam. So I'm assuming this is a hair product, and it says it defines natural texture and calms frizz. So my hair is straight as a board, which I really wish that I had any sort of like body or texture or curl or anything to my hair, but I don't. It is just very straight and fine. So this won't be a product that I will really get a lot of use out of. So I would love to give it away to one of you guys. So just comment down below what you're gonna be for Halloween. I would love to hear that if you're dressing up for Halloween or just like a cute idea you might have. Comment that down below and just wait for me to be able to get in contact with you, and then I will send this out to one of you if you have hair that like could benefit from this product, just because I know my just straight hair, I don't really get a lot of frizz or anything, so it's not gonna be a product that I would get a ton of use out of, so I'd love to give it away to one of you guys that could use it better than me. So comment that down below, but let's still see the value on this. The value is $22. Okay, and then last but not least, I see this 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence. An essence is kind of, I feel like a hybrid between like a serum and a toner. It's kind of like a little bit of both, at least that's my understanding of it. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong on that, but this one says that it's supposed to hydrate and reveal fresh, radiant skin, which for me, I absolutely need with my dry skin. So I'm very excited. I've tried other stuff from 111 Skin actually that I got from Boxycharm that I did really like in the past, so definitely excited about this. Nice like glass packaging, definitely seems high end and fancy. So the value on this is, wow, $100. Okay, so I mean, should feel nice for $100 bucks. That's definitely a high price. So that is everything I think for my premium box. Yes, okay. So let's add up the values of everything from premium. So we have $30 for the Benefit Blush, $100 for the Essence, $22 for the Styling Foam, $26 for the Eyebrow Pencil, $19 for the Tarte Lip Pumping Lip Gloss, and then $20 for the under eye pads for a total of $217 of value. So that was everything. Let's go ahead and jump into trying it all on. Most of this stuff I should be able to try for you guys. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we'll jump in. Okay, let's jump into this Falling For You palette. This is so pretty. And we're gonna use the Transluce brushes. So I'm gonna first go in with the shade Squash, and I'm gonna buff this into the crease area. It is nice because you do get a nice big mirror mirror with this palette, so you can use it when doing your eye makeup. Brushes feel super soft, which is nice, and the shadow seems to be blending easily. Next, using the same brush, I'm gonna jump in with the shade Autumn to begin to deepen that up a little bit. What is the difference between autumn and fall? Might sound like an idiot asking that, but I honestly like don't know the difference. I don't ever use the term autumn, but maybe like different parts of the world use the term autumn instead of fall. I honestly don't know. Like, is there a difference? Let me know in the comments because I have no idea. These shadows are definitely pigmented. You only need like a little bit of them and you'll get a lot of payoff. So that is really nice. Next, I'm gonna switch into a bit of a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in with the shade Pine Cone and I'm gonna place that in just the outer crease area. I'm not gonna bring this into like the upper crease like we did with the other shades. Gonna keep it down low a little bit. This brown mixed with the red kind of makes it look like a burgundy kind of shade, which is so pretty. I always like associate that color with fall and it's beautiful. Then I'm gonna jump in with the shade Apple right here. I'm just gonna use my finger. This looks so pretty. Like, ooh! I'm gonna just tap that on the lid. Ooh, that is beautiful. Like a pretty light pink shimmer shade. Okay, this shadow is so pretty. I'm just going in the other eye. Love the pink shimmer. Okay, now on the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the shade Cranberry, which is like a bright purple. And let's buff that down there. This little brush is like perfect for that. And just add that little purpley pop. And now just because I wanna use as many colors as I can, I'm gonna go in with the angled brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Chestnut, which is the darkest shade in the palette. It's like a really deep purple. Just gonna go in with like a little bit of this and I'm gonna work that on this outer V just to deepen up the eye. Honestly, this isn't something that I would normally do, but I wanna use as many shades as I can from the palette to test for you guys. Normally I would leave the eye a little bit lighter, but we're just gonna smoke it out even a little bit more. Okay, I definitely really enjoyed this palette and the brushes. I thought that they worked really, really well together. So I'm gonna pop on some mascara now because we are gonna use the new lashes and the lash glue liner, but I'm gonna do mascara first before we go in with the falsies. Okay, got my mascara on. Now let's jump in with the Appeal little lash liner. So I'm gonna go in and line my lash line. Okay, it's not overly sticky, which is good. Some of these can be, because they are a glue too, just so sticky and then they're hard to actually apply as liner. But this one is just going on like a normal liner. Doesn't feel sticky at all, which is kind of concerning me a little bit, but hopefully the lashes stick. All right, so once we have the liner on, we'll jump in with the lashes. Probably should have taken these out beforehand, but it's okay. And I'm just gonna pop these right on my little tweezers. Okay, yeah, they're sticking super easily to that lash glue liner, so that's nice. The lashes are definitely more on like the subtle side. You know, like they add a little emphasis to my eyes, but they're not like crazy long or fluttery. So if you love natural lashes, you'll like these. If you like really long, dramatic, crazy ones, they're probably not gonna be your favorite, but you can definitely tell a difference between this eye and this eye. So I'm gonna go in and do the lash glue liner on the other side as well. I definitely like the way this works. Very pigmented, easy to use, and the lashes stuck to it very easily. And I much prefer this to like, you know, applying the glue to the lashes and then trying to apply to your eye. I just feel like this is so much easier. And because it adds that pigment too, you don't see any gap between your natural lash and the falsies, which is also very nice. All right, lashes and liner are on. Now we're gonna jump into this brow pencil. So like I said, I do have some brow products on already, but I do wanna try this out. So I'm gonna go in and add some. I'm gonna like test it on my hand. It does look a little dark. Okay, yeah, definitely a little bit darker than what I have going on, but sometimes what I'll do, especially when I have a little tiny precise pencil like this that's deeper, I'll go in and use this to do like little lash strokes to further emphasize like the texture of my lashes. And this is actually doing a nice job, just so you can see, like, I don't know if it'll even translate on camera, but in person you can see like these little lash like strokes instead of just like a block of color. It looks more like actual hair, and you'll want to go in with like a shade darker than the shade that you're using all over your brows. So this is actually good for that for me, because I think all over my brows this is probably a little bit too dark, but works well for this little detail work. And then we're gonna go in with Miss Georgia Peach blush. It's just called Georgia blush, but I love this. And I'm gonna pop this on my cheeks. Smells so good. Gonna make your whole face smell like delicious. Put a little on my nose too. And then I'm gonna jump in with this Tarte Man-Eater gloss, again in the shade Buff. This is supposed to be lip plumping. Hopefully it's not one of those lip plumpers that like really hurts. I mean, those are the ones that really work, but I also don't like when they sting too much. So let's see. Ooh. I just got like a little taste of this inside my mouth, which like obviously don't eat it, but it's like minty, which I like. So many lip plumpers can be that like cinnamony kind of feel, where this one isn't. It's just more like cooling minty. I like the glossiness that it gives to my lips. So far it feels cooling, but no like hurt at all. Let's give it a minute and see. Because sometimes they try and sneak up on you and all of a sudden it's like boom and you're like, oh, my lips are burning. Okay, we're about 1 minute in. I am getting a little stinging now, but nothing crazy. So you get that initial like cooling feeling and then it does sting a little bit, but definitely not bad, totally tolerable. And I do feel like it plumps my lips a little bit. Let me know what you guys think, but overall I like the glossiness and I like the color, so I definitely will use this again. All right, so that was everything that I could really try on for you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Definitely let me know what you guys got in your box, if you got it already or what you're hoping to get. I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.